Hello guys, in this video we will be solving the lead code problem minimum cost to convert string 1. So the what is the problem statement? So problem statement is like that we are given one source string and we need to convert that source string to target string by changing the character, and the changing cost is given. So for each character, if you want to change it to different character, for that the cost is given. For example, changing character A to character B, the cost is 2. Character B to character C, the cost is 5, like that. So we need to find the minimum cost which will require to change source string to target string. Okay, so for this given example we can see that we have given this ABCD, then we have converted that to ACCD, while after converting from B to C, which will require 5 cost because B to C cost is 5. Then we have again changed C to E, and for that one cost is required, and then we have changed E to V, which will require 2 cost, and then finally we change the last character D to E, which will need 20 costs. Hence the total cost is 28. So basically we are given one source string, let's say A B C D, and we need to convert that to a target string, let's say A C B E. Okay, so what would be the minimum cost? So the minimum cost would be, what is the minimum cost to change each character. So at the end we need to change this V to this C, right, with minimum cost, and similarly we need to change this C to V with minimum cost, and finally we need to change this D to E with minimum cost. If we change each and every character with minimum cost, then we will the minimum cost of changing source to destination will also be minimum. We have given so we can say that for that particular example, if we try to make a graph, so we are given A to V, we can go from A to V, we can convert, we can change A to V with cost 2, and from B to C the cost is 5, and then C to B the cost is 5, then C to E the cost is 1, and then E to B the cost is 2, and then finally D to E the cost is 20. So here we can have D, and that cost is 20. Okay, so as we discussed, we need to find the minimum cost to convert the source string to target string, and we are giving some mapping of changing the characters and its associated cost. For example, changing A to B the cost is 2, and changing E to B like cost is 2, like that. So what will be the minimum answer for that? So as I discussed we need to find the minimum cost to change each character, and we need to add all the cost for changing each character, and then at the end, after adding all minimum cost, we will get our answer. Okay, so for that what we need to do, first we need to build a graph. So for that I am just creating a map of character, because the node will be character, and it's one vertex, one character can be changed to multiple character, hence we are having the list, and each character is having associated cost as well for changing to another character. That is why I am creating one node class. Okay, and it's having another character B and the associated weight WT. Okay, so here I am creating the graph by using these three array: original and change and cost. We will discuss about ki what we need to do, what will be the minimum cost to change one character to another character. So for that I am taking source and target character. So source character, so basically this source and target will be the same length, so I am just having one loop which is looping from start index to end index, and we need to change each character of source string to each character of target string at any position I. So if s and t are equal, then no need to do anything, we just need to continue. And this is for memoization, which I will tell later on. Then so okay, let me clear why I have used memoization is because there would be multiple instances we need to change one character to another. And for example, in this same example, if I see in that, let's see in that example. So okay, so here what we are doing, we are changing to character a to v, and the changing cost is, we can first change a to c and then c to v, and the total cost would be 3, right? To change a to change character a to character v, the total cost would be 3. Then we have to calculate that again and again if we don't store, if we don't memorize that thing. So that is why I am using memoization ki if we have calculated the minimum cost from character one character to another character, then just save that. So for that I am using memoization, which will be the string. So the key is source to destination, and the total distance of changing source to destination we will store in the value field. Okay, then what I am doing, I am calculating the distance from source to destination. Okay, so which is denoted by s to d cost. So first we will check if it is present in our memoization map, then no need to do any further calculation or any execution of the code, just get it from the map. Okay, otherwise we will call this function which is min cost from source character to target character with the using of this graph. And let's say we are not able to find a source to destination, uh, let's say there is no way. So basically what I'm trying to say, let's say there is a, that d is cannot be converted to e, there is no mapping given to convert d to e, so in that case our answer would be -1. So in that case also, like getting the minimum cost to change one character to another character also, we will return -1. So if s to d cost is -1, then we are simply returning -1. Otherwise we are just calculating it using that function. So in that function, this is the simple algorithm of Digestra, where I am just using a priority queue, because we need to because we need to pick the next element, next character according to their weight to get the minimum path. And after that I have taken one distance array which will be initialized with maximum value initially. Then I am adding the source node with 0 cost in the beginning. This is the simple BFS traversal for a node, and where I am just using priority queue instead of queue, because this is a weighted graph. And what I am doing here, for example, let me explain. So what I am doing, I am just calculating, I am polling each node. Poll node is the destination node, then we will return the weight of the poll node. Otherwise we will check if we are having the children for that particular node. What does that mean also, ki if that particular character can be changed to another characters, then we will change it to all the character and we will push that into our priority queue. So priority queue, what it will do, it will always poll the minimum cost character first. So we will be ensured that we will get the shortest or the minimum cost to change one character to another character. And we only need to add this to priority queue if the current weight which we are getting is less than the weight present in the destination array. If we don't find any way, then we will return -1.
and once we return -1, we will put that condition here कि if it is returning -1, then our answer will be -1. Otherwise our answer would be otherwise we will add our answer to the total cost which we have added outside the loop, and then we will return total cost. And before returning that total cost, we will just add our this thing to our memoization match so that it can be used further.